Today I'm going to show you how to turn a walnut log into a beam. And this isn't a very large walnut log. It's actually out of the top of a tree that fell down. So I'm just repurposing it and seeing what I can make out of it. Now I can make some smaller boards, but this log is going to be a beam. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more videos like this on the channel here. And one of the things that I like to do is I use this bolt as my adjustment bolt with a lock washer here. This is my little mini plate washer. Then I just lock it in with this other bolt, and this is 11 millimeter. And it's so easy to hook up. I'll put the link in the description. If you want to design one like this or paint it another color, you certainly can. As you can tell, this flat side that I just cut, I put it on the bottom. Now I'm going to go down the second side and level that up. you can tell that I've got 3 sides cut. Just got one more, and this will be suitable for a really good beam, or we can keep working on it and turn it into boards. I've got this screw in here and that one down there. I don't have any screws in the middle. This is real sturdy. So we're going to get started on this 4th and last side. If this video was of any help to you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button so you can see more DIY videos on the channel here at Make It Work Dan.